Yes, greetings, and welcome back to Jamaican Patwa 101. I am the teach DabQween, and yes, mums, today is the class where we are gonna show some love because in a Jamaica it's all about one love. You see me? So today I will be teaching you three ways of how to say I love you in Jamaican Patwa. All right, this is just three ways. The next video, I will show you three more ways. All right, so the first way is, yeah, my heart string, you know, babes. You hear that? You catch it? You are me heart string, babes. You hear that? Say it with me now. Yeah, my heart string, you know, babes. Yeah, my heart string, babes. Good job. All right. Next one now. My heart a melt for you, babes. Hear that? Catch it with me. My heart a melt for you, babes. Hear that? Say it with me now. My heart a melt for you, babes. Yeah. Make sure you give it a little passion, little chops. All right. Next one now. Next one now. All right. Third one now, babes. Catch it, yeah? Me eye dem a water for you, babes. Hear that? Me eye dem a water for you, babes. Eh. Alright. Say it with me now. Me eye dem a water for you, babes. Eh. All three of these mean I love you in Jamaican patois. Alright? So say it with me now. We're gonna say all three of them now. Yeah? Alright, first one. Me eye dem a water for you, babes. Catch it. Me eye dem a water for you, babes. Next one. Me heart a melt for you, babes. You hear that? Me heart a melt for you, babes. So you have to do it with love and passion. You see me, little chops. Yeah? Last one. Yeah, my heart string, babes. Hear that? Catch it. Yeah, my heart string, babes. One more time. Yeah, my heart string, babes. Make sure you practice, people. Yeah, like, share, comment, and follow. Make sure you copy the link and you share it and you save it, repost it, yeah, and watch it all the way through the end and watch it again. This is all you're gonna learn. Repetition, over. As always, my darling, love yourself, love others, love Mother Earth, and above all things, trust yourself. See you in the next class. Later.